Welcome aboard the Westerly Oceanranger 38, listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. I'm just going to give you a little walk around down below, give you an idea how she's laid out. So at the moment I'm just at the top of the companionway steps. I'm just looking forward. I'm going to walk forward first and we'll talk as we go. So at the moment, down the steps, starboard hand is the galley. Lots of storage, lots of workspace, nice double sink. There, so just walking through the saloon. Table opens out as you've seen in the photographs. You're walking forward, just looking forward. Forward head, shower, basin, nice and light and bright and clean. Opposite, hanging storage. And then into the forward cabin. So at the moment we've got cockpit cushions in there, but you can see it's nicely fitted out. Got the timber surround, nice upholstery, 2 singles or double with an infill. Just going to back you up and spin around again, back looking at the saloon on the other side. Again, lots of storage, nicely fitted. The chart table, so you've got good size chart storage, everything to hand, again storage underneath. Just heading aft now, so you've got a quarter berth, storage space, whichever you need, and through into the aft cabin. Again, lots of storage. Just sorry, the light's just going to adjust there, but as you go in, you've got some seating area, double berth, and it's en suite. So there's your heads, again shower, basin in there. Just going to back around, you can see again stowage, hanging storage. Just turn you around back into the saloon. And we're back where we started from. If you'd like more information, please go to www.boatshedisleofwight.com.